How to use HelloTalk full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use HelloTalk. So first of all, you have to download and register via App Store or Google Play using mobile, email or socials. That means you must log in or sign up to HelloTalk and use it on your smartphone. And after onboarding, asks for your native language and target languages. Free users set one, VIP users can set multiple. You can use learning goals like profile goals. You set fluency targets across speaking, listening, writing, and reading. And craft a bio with your proficiency level, interest, and learning goal to attract partners. Under connect, filter by native speakers, serious learners, paid tutors, or language or local specific partners. And for the chatting, text, voice, and video, send text messages with correction support. Partners can correct grammar inline. Use a voice message to practice pronunciation, translation, and transliteration are built in. Both voice and video calls are available in real-time conversation, great for fluency, and post in moments like a social feed to share thoughts or media in your target language or receive feedback. Join voice rooms and live streams for group conversation, effective practice, and cultural exchange. And the language tools and corrections are press correction icons to learn from mistakes. Use instant translation and transliteration tools on the fly. Save vocabulary in notes or favorites for review and reinforce learning through repetition. And the free version chat with 8 partners daily, single target language, limited translation and ads. VIP 6.99 per month or $39.99 per year, up to 3 languages, ultimate translation, advanced filters like gender, location, no ads. And most users are friendly. Avoid those seeking dates or paid tutoring unless that's your goal. Use filters like serious learners and follow basic etiquette. Initiate purposeful conversation and join voice rooms during peak hours. And HelloTalk is robust social learning platform ideal for real conversation, cultural exchange, and building fluency with native speakers. The free version suffices for casual learners, and VIP unlocks powerful features like multiple language learning and deeper partner filtering. If you want help with advanced features like tutor registration, content creation, or fluency progress tracking, you can use HelloTalk. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.